Hi guys, emmy-lou here. Today I really want to show you how to do a My Little Pony. I just absolutely love them at the moment. I love the cute little ones that everyone used to collect. So I'm going to do Applejack, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter which one it is. It could just literally be a part of My Little Pony. So the first thing I'm going to do is you need a pencil and a paper, just in case, because there's me just la la la. I'm planning my one out. So think Oreo on a stick. Oreo on a stick, can't go wrong. And then once you've done the Oreo on the stick, we're going to go round. So we're going to go. If you're not sure whether you want to, you don't really need to connect it. So let's just go. Can you see what I've done there? It's like Oreo with a J. Depends how you're looking at it. But that's roughly what it's going to be. And then we're going to put the legs in. Now, I've just remembered I need my trusty rubber. Hang on. I'll try and find where it is. It's literally Tipp-Ex, but it just helps me to rub out so you can see things. So we're going to do one leg. And then just work across. So one leg from there. And then la 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 la. And then la 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 la. No. If I'm going too fast, just stop the video and go back, because I've got this habit of just la la la. Sometimes I just do it without even realising. So we want to do another leg, guys, another leg. So we're just going to, on that little body bit there, we're going to go up. Meow. There's a lot of meows. And then la la la. Now, he's got 3 legs. Couldn't really gallop very well if I had 3 legs, could it? But we're going to just level off the 3 legs. 1, 2, 3. Look at those legs, guys. And then this other leg, he's like, I don't know what you'd call that. Is it galloping? So we're just going to go la 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 la. And then a little line, guys. And then, so all I did was a line coming out, line going down, and then where you've got that peanut shape, go up it and just go out. Made that far too complicated, but give it a go. And then you're going to go, when you come to this bit of leg, it's not straight across, it's diagonal. So make sure you get it diagonal. What I like doing is if you draw it in pencil really lightly, then when you think, oh, I've definitely got what I want, you can go over it in pen when you've got the bits that you want, because we're going to rub some stuff out. So the face, we're going to do a nice little ear. It's going to be about here. Big ear, to be honest, isn't it? You can't really see the other ear, but we're going to do the tail is really important, guys. So normally the tails go up. I had a My Little Pony when I was about, I think I was about 7, and it was called Windy. So we're just going to touch there and go. And then you want it really small on that bit. So we're going to start small, and you want it kind of to go like this. It looks really odd, but it's a big chunky tail, and for some reason it's tied up in the end. There's a reason, I'm sure. So we're just gonna, you could just do, you know when you do your hair, if you do your hair in plaits, or whatever you do, it's kind of, as long as you've got it in that little gappy bit there, and then we can do these little lines to make it look like it's sort of going into there. How cool is that? Then we want the eye and we want the nose, because at the moment it's an Oreo with legs and a tail. So touch where the Oreo is and go, can you see what I'm doing? I'm basically drawing out of the Oreo, back in again. And then the hair's so fun because it doesn't have to be exactly like my hair, not literally. But what we want to do is touch the ear and go, I don't know if you can see this. I don't want to cover it up by my hand. Whoa. So you're drawing over the Oreo of joy. There, I don't even like Oreos. And then, you know here, then It's like you want to create a wobbly effect, and we're going to do another line like we did there. Then, just like that. And then on the end, you know, we did it like that. Just do a little thing that looks a bit like that. It doesn't matter too much. I like to, once I've done a shape, just like make, I've got no words tonight. Just put the lines going up. There we are. Right, an eye. We want these lines that I've just realised. Put the lines in, guys. We want a great big eye. So you want the other eyes there. So I quite like to just do it however you want. Like, it doesn't have to be exactly like that eye, but they always seem to have like a bit of a bit there that's chunky, like a bit of makeup. And the nose, it's the nose there, can you see it? And that bit. If it looks a bit odd, don't panic. It will look odd. Now, we're going to rub out some things. And also, you can add more of them around here if you want. So what I'm rubbing out is anything that you drew inside the body that you don't want. I'm rubbing out the Oreo shape just there, so it looks more like it's the face. I don't need much of a line near the ear. And what's in the hair here, do not want it. Oh, she kind of looks cute. I think it's a she. Sometimes it's difficult to know, it doesn't really matter. I think as long as it's a My Little Pony. Now, I've got this here, but to be honest with you, any of the motifs that you'd like, I'm sure you can just add whatever you like. Why not? Live the dream. There we go. I was going to write her name, but I'm just like, I don't think I will. I'm tempted to colour it blue. It's not supposed to be blue though. It is orange and yellow. So let's go with the orange. This is what I'm using at the moment. It's basically just orange acrylic. I love it. This is my palette, slightly messy, but you know, it's okay. It does the job. So I'm going to get a brush, acrylic paint. You can get a felt tip, it doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do is I am going to carefully, it depends how old you are and how experienced you are, but if you've got a flat-headed brush, I love them. You could literally glide your way through, and when you get to a flat, straight bit, you just go round. It's the most relaxing thing to do ever. And I need to relax because it's good to put on music and paint, actually. I find it rather nice. Can you see how big my brush is? But because it's angled in a way that's straight, you know, flat-headed, it's just so easy. I'm going to go over pretty much everything. I'm going to go over the lines. Now, the thing is, if you are wanting it to stand out like a cartoon, before you paint it or colour it in, just find a black felt tip if you can. It doesn't have to be black, as long as it's dark. And just go around all your pencil lines, because that would look so cool. It just makes everything stand out. Now, I think that's it for that was quick, wasn't it? That was way too quick. What's going on? Right, I don't think it's that orange, if I'm honest with you, but let's just pretend it is. Let's live that dream. Right. I am going to do yellow for here. Now, the good thing about doing the black felt tip is the yellow makes it stand out. The black makes it stand out when you put the yellow on. A little bit like a bumblebee. That's why it's black and yellow, really, because it stands out. I'm sure there's another reason as well. But there we go. There we go. Right. I mean, I'm going a little bit quick, and a part of me is quite surprised how quick I'm going. So I'm gonna I haven't got a red. I'm gonna do a blue, guys. Oh, I wanted to do a red, but I do not have a red. So I'm going to do blue, and it's the most awesomest blue ever. Look how good that blue is. I'm trying to find whereabouts I've... Oh, love it. She's got a bit of a green eye. Great thing about black, because I might even outline it in black, but the great thing about black is it really makes things stand out. So she's got a green eye there. It's quite a tricky one. Ooh. As you can tell, I'm not being the most neatest, am I? But I don't think it matters too much. Now, no, I'm going to get some black. Bear with. I'm gonna get the black. I couldn't quite see where the black was. This black's a rather big pot. Oof. So it's coming out, it's fine. Okay. Now, guys. Now, I want to do, you know, like when there's a white bit in the eye. It just looks so cool. I mean, I'm hoping that looks good. We've got a hope, haven't we? Ooh. I'm outlining it because I can't help myself. I just love outlining things. I mean, that's a long eyelash, isn't it? But you know what's good about outlining? It's hard, which means you're really testing your skills. And if I'm honest, why not? Why not test them? See what you can produce, because anyone can do something that's easy, isn't it? So if something's difficult, try it. I can't really talk when I'm doing this, which is quite a blessing, isn't it, for all of you at home? But just because I talk too much. Look at that. Oof. I've got this rogue fly in the studio, and it's attracted to the light, which makes my life slightly challenging. You won't be able to see it in a minute. It will come in view, and I was like, oh no. Okay, guys. Woo. I just absolutely love using black. It's just so relaxing. You could let the paint dry and just use felt tip. But that's too easy, so this is why I'm doing paint. Because I am challenging myself. So that is My Little Pony. Or, doesn't particularly have to be My Little Pony. It could literally be just a horse, you know? So I'm just gonna, oh, there we go. Oh man, just fell on the floor. Right, so what I was thinking would be nice, I really want more of a, like a little, that looks cool, doesn't it? So what you could do, I don't know if I can do it here, because I'll get the floor really messy in my studio, but it's so cool if you're at home and, you know, make sure you don't put it everywhere, but you can put like party splodges of paint everywhere. It just looks kind of cool. Or you could paint a splodge. You could just do a little splodge and then it comes out. I've got a video, I think, on the Banksy one. So have a go at that. Like and subscribe and let me know how you get on with your My Little Pony. And you know what I think is quite nice? You could repeat this. You could repeat this and do like 4 in a row, and you could do different colours. So one could be pink and blue, one could be yellow and whatever. You could do contrasting colours like yellow and purple, forgot there, blue and orange, green and red. That would be cool. So yes, I hope you liked doing that. And I shall be doing another My Little Pony because I enjoyed that thoroughly. So yeah, hey everyone. So I've just seen something, well, not really a problem, but there's a line there that we need to put in there because as I got up and thought, oh, this looks nice, because I'm drawing it from the side, it doesn't quite look exactly how I want it to. So we do need a line there because otherwise it looks like the ear is the whole face. So yeah, just thought I'd say to you, put the line in. So what you can do after you've done all of that is just take a little look at it. And if you find that you need to add anything, that is the time to add it. So I did that. I looked back and thought, oh, I didn't have a line there. So it looked a bit like a horn. So just do a black line. And then if you want to fiddle with the face or the nose in any way, try and do it now because you can easily go over bits. Just shape it slightly with a black line. So yeah, there we are. There we are. Enjoy your My Little Pony. And I shall see you soon. Bye.